Hey everyone, JF here again. Let me play with my cat before I make a move. He's a little crazy at times. Sometimes he annoys me, so I annoy him too. You can see that. Crazy cat. See him hit his own self. Pew pew pew. After he has his fair share of fun, he will just walk away like here. So my bag is kind of heavy because can see there's a parcel inside. That's why I'm going to the west. I got my gloves now for those who share their concerns. Yeah, so I'm going to drop off a parcel at somewhere in the west. I forgot. It was a while back. You can see from the rear mirror that's my my GoPro attachment for those who are wondering. I didn't want to stick the attachment to my helmet. I don't really like the idea of destroying my helmet. And it looks quite funny too. And let me jump. So yeah, so it's a journey to the west. I think in real time it took me about 30 minutes tops or less. Or I mean more, since it's a public platform. Maybe 30-40 minutes. So I'm going to speed up here. So how have you guys been? Especially with the phase 2 back again. I think the roads are kind of empty at night as well, so please take care. For all of you who are food riders as well, please take care, drink lots of water, stay safe. A lot of crazy things are happening in Singapore now. Lots of happening stuff. People not wearing their masks and all. Yeah. Or people like saying karaoke and the safety ambassadors and the police came. That was quite funny. So yeah, I think in this clip I was still putting on the waterproof attachment. So I don't know why. I think it's a hot day, so my camera kind of heat up faster. My GoPro kind of heat faster lah. And you can see it fogging up, which is quite annoying every time. So the next few clips that I took didn't have the waterproof attachment. But you know, weathers in Singapore can be quite crazy. You never know when it will rain or shine. Yeah. For those of you who are watching here, it is a sped up video, okay? I'm not speeding like a mad woman. Yeah. At this part of the junction or the highway, it always gets a little scary or dangerous because people wants to exit to the city, so they will cut through quite dangerously, or they very kiasu, they will want to cut earlier, when actually you can just drive forward a little more and you're fine. And I think I shall stop talking here and just let you guys watch the video, and I'll put some music now. finally I'm out of the highway. I think by now, I wonder any of you guys experience that your hand starts to feel a bit numb. Like right now, my hand starts to feel quite numb, so I was kind of shaking a little to get back the feeling of my fingers. So yeah, I'm just thankful I'm out of the highway now. So from here you can see me trying to find my way, because I've never been to the west. I mean, I've been to the west before to kind of study at Pulau NTU. So yeah, but I didn't really study there for very long. It's just like a year, or maybe like even half a year max. And yeah, so I didn't really get to explore many places besides the usual place like IMM or JAM, those typical areas. But this parcel that I'm dropping off to ship it to South Korea to a friend lah, it's in a weird ulu place. Yeah, I felt I was a little bit like where the heck am I? Because I've never been to all this warehouse, or I forgot how do you call these places. So yeah, I was a little bit worried that I was at the wrong place, but I am at the right place. It just looks like anybody can do bad things there to you, and yeah. This place is also quite huge, so I was quite surprised, and I was really like going round and round just looking where's the place and where can I park in the nearest place lah. So I think about here is the place of the place I want to drop off the parcel, and now I'm just trying to look for a parking space. And I finally parked. So here's the most important part I always forget, is the keys to my bike. So here I am struggling to take out my gloves, my helmet, and I have to remember to take the key, my belongings. Sometimes I leave it, but my bike doesn't have the little pouch there anymore. I took it out. So most of my belongings are now in my bag, and I kind of speed up my walk here. So now it sounds like a very weird, funny duck sound walk. So yeah, this place is really huge, but it's okay. It's a good walk. I also didn't dare to park anyhow, even though I see some bikes there. The last time I went to this kind of places, and I really did park in proper parking motorcycle lot, but the guy was just like, you can't park here because you're not your bike is not like an employee of this company here, so you can't park here. I was just like, but this is a motorcycle lot, right? It's a white colour lot. There's no word like reserve or anything. So I was just weirded out, so I didn't dare to anyhow park. So yeah, that's about it. So stay safe, ride safe everyone.